What is this?
This is my notebook.
What did you write?
I wrote a story.
How many notebooks do you have?
I have 5 notebooks.
In which language did you write the story?
I wrote it in Spanish.
Where is your brother?
He went to school.
Is anyone else at home?
Yes, my grandma is here.
Why didn't your brother stay home?
He had an exam today.
Who helps you with homework?
My dad helps me.
Does he also help you with writing stories?
No, I write them on my own.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free now.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
What are you doing now?
I'm making lunch.
Where is the dog?
The dog is in the backyard.
Who is she?
She is my cousin.
What did you buy today?
I bought some groceries.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm feeling great.
Why are you smiling?
Because I'm excited.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love it.
How's the weather today?
It's cloudy.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What's for lunch?
We're having sandwiches.
What is that building?
That's a library.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Are you feeling upset?
No, I'm feeling good.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, every morning.
Do you own a bicycle?
Yes, I do.
How does the food taste?
It's really tasty.
What are you eating?
I'm eating a salad.
How was the meeting?
It went well.
Where are you heading now?
I'm going to the mall.
What are you thinking about?
I'm planning my weekend.
What symptoms do you have?
I have a sore throat.
What's your favorite drink?
I love coffee.
Are you hungry?
No, I just ate.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a lawyer.
Are you feeling unwell?
No, I'm fine now.
Do you get it?
Yes, I understand now.
Are you happy with your work?
Yes, I'm very happy with it.
Where does it hurt?
My back hurts.
What does that word mean?
It means freedom.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Do you feel okay now?
Yes, I'm feeling better.
How was the journey?
It was amazing.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
Can I sit beside you?
Of course.
Can I borrow your book?
Sure, here you go.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
Are you in a relationship?
No, I'm single right now.
What's your job?
I'm a graphic designer.
Can you make cookies?
Yes, I enjoy baking them.
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy painting.
Do you live by yourself?
No, I live with roommates.
Who is he?
He's my uncle.
What are you up to?
I'm listening to music.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Who's calling you?
This is my friend.
Who is she?
She is my niece.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
What's your favorite sport?
I like basketball.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, we accept cash.
How much is this?
It's $25.
What are your hobbies?
I like drawing and writing.
What's your profession?
I'm a software engineer.
Why did you yell at him?
He was being rude.
What's your favorite subject?
I enjoy history the most.
Does she enjoy dancing?
Yes, she loves it.
What is she doing?
She's reading a book.
Where is your brother?
He's in the kitchen.
What is he doing?
He's making dinner.
Who was calling you?
It was my mom.
Who took the book?
My sister took it.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you enjoy?
I like playing the guitar.
What do you want to do?
I want to relax today.
When are you coming back?
I'll be back tomorrow.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a novel.
What's wrong?
I'm feeling a bit tired.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep in an hour.
What to do?
Let's go for a walk.
Which flower do you want?
I'd like the yellow one.
Why are you sad?
I lost my keys.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy right now.
Where did you go?
I went to the gym.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a magazine.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand it now.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm quite happy.
Where does it hurt?
My leg hurts.
What does this mean?
It means love.
What is today's date?
It's Thursday.
How does it taste?
It's sweet.
Do you feel sick?
No, I'm feeling fine.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm perfectly okay.
How was the trip?
It was tiring but nice.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Halloween.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please do.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, traveling is my favorite.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you do?
I'm a journalist.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake them.
What do you do for fun?
I enjoy running.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my partner.
Who is he?
He is my friend.
What are you doing?
I'm organizing my desk.
Where is the cow?
The cow is near the barn.
Who is she?
She's my aunt.
What's your job?
I'm a doctor.
What did you buy?
I bought a new jacket.
Why are you laughing?
The show is really funny.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
How's the weather?
It's raining right now.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
What's for dinner?
We're having tacos tonight.
What is that?
That's a school.
How was your day?
It was a bit stressful.
Are you upset?
No, I'm doing well.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
How does it taste?
It's a bit bitter.
What is it?
It's a soup.
How was the party?
It was so much fun.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the grocery store.
What's on your mind?
I'm thinking about work.
What are your symptoms?
I have a cough and a fever.
What's your favorite food?
I love sushi.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm a little hungry.
What's your profession?
I'm an engineer.
Are you sick?
No, I'm feeling healthy.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Who is it?
It's the delivery person.
Who is she?
She's my classmate.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept cards.
How much does it cost?
Costs $30.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What do you do?
I'm a photographer.
Why did you slap him?
He was being rude to me.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Does she like pie?
Yes, she loves pie.
What is she doing?
She's drawing.
Where is your sister?
She's at the library.
What is she doing?
She's studying.
Who is calling?
It was my brother.
Who took my mobile?
Your dad took it.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
What do you do?
I'm a software developer.
What do you like?
I like playing tennis.
What do you want?
I want to relax.
When will you be back?
I'll be back later tonight.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
What is that?
That's a shopping mall.
How was your day?
It was relaxing.
Are you upset?
No, just a bit distracted.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes, but I prefer tea.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I drive a sedan.
How does it taste?
Sweet.
What is it?
It's a piece of cake.
How was the party?
It was a blast.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to the gym.
What's on your mind?
I'm thinking about tomorrow's meeting.
How's the weather?
It's sunny outside.
What are your symptoms?
I have a sore throat.
Are you hungry?
A little bit, yes.
What's your profession?
I'm a teacher.
Are you sick?
No, I'm feeling fine today.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, it's my favorite dessert.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, you can.
How much does it cost?
Costs $50.
Why did you slap him?
He insulted me.
What is she doing?
She is watching TV.
Where is your sister?
She is at the supermarket.
What is she doing?
She is studying for an exam.
Where is your wife?
She's out for a walk.
Who is calling?
It was my colleague.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
What do you do?
I'm an architect.
What do you like?
I enjoy hiking.
What do you want?
I want some rest.
When will you be back?
I'll be back by noon.
What's wrong?
I feel a bit stressed.
When will you sleep?
I'll sleep after finishing my work.
What to do?
Let's watch a movie.
Which flower do you want?
I want the red one.
Why are you sad?
I had an argument with a friend.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm working on something.
Where did you go?
I went to the park.
Do you understand?
Yes, it's clear now.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm feeling good.
How does it taste?
It's salty.
Are you okay?
Yes, everything is all right.
How was the trip?
It was fun but exhausting.
What's your favorite holiday?
I enjoy Thanksgiving.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I use your phone?
Yes, here you go.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I make them often.
What do you do for fun?
I enjoy reading books.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my roommate.
Where is the cow?
It's in the field.
What did you buy?
I bought groceries.
Why are you laughing?
I heard a funny joke.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I enjoy it.
How's the weather?
It's cloudy.
Can you swim?
Yes, I'm a good swimmer.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta tonight.
How was your day?
It was busy but good.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do sometimes.
How does it taste?
It's rich and creamy.
How was the party?
It was amazing.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to the gym.
What's on your mind?
I'm thinking about my weekend plans.
How's the weather?
It's cloudy but dry.
What are your symptoms?
I have a mild cough.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Are you hungry?
No, I just had lunch.
What's your profession?
I'm an accountant.
Who is it?
It's my neighbor.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, especially chocolate flavor.